Alright guys, well, quick update why there has been no progress on the Mustang or anything else. And I'll show you that reason real quick. It's that right there. Yeah, it's 105 degrees. Yes, and it's a cool day. So yeah, it's only 101 outside. I've had the doors open here, the fans going, just trying to keep things from melting. Yeah, we're only 101 today. We've been 105 most of the days. So you can understand why I'm in a bad mood, and I hate the heat. I don't like living here. I don't know why anybody would enjoy this kind of weather and, you know, nice weather. No, we don't have that. No, we have very tiny little bits of that. It's very annoying that we just don't have any nice weather here. We have 2 days here and 2 days here in between, you know, searing hot or really cold temperatures, you know. Just not a good place to live. And if you hear that running, that is actually my extra air conditioner that's just set to just a fan, so it's just blowing air into the shop right now. Because if I turn my air conditioners on, it will make no noticeable difference in that number up there on the wall. No, I would need about 10 or 15 tons of air conditioning to make any difference in here. This is an insulated building. It's not insulated really well because they don't know how to do insulation on these buildings. They just wrap it in fiberglass and they pinch it between all the beams and they think, oh, hey, it's insulated. No, it's not. No, it's not. You know, all this exposed steel that you see is essentially radiators putting out 120-degree heat. Yeah, I got a picture of that too. I'll put that up. Anyway, so you can understand why I haven't been working on it. Nah. All I've been doing outside, been able to do is go out and soak the few trees, keep them from dying, and I'll take the well, I'll turn the water on, full blast, and you'll just go into a little puddle and just disappear into the ground. Water just totally disappears in the ground. It's like there's a drain underneath it. Doesn't run off, just go right in the ground. Gone. So, when will there be Mustang updates? I don't know, 6 months? I don't know. Because the other issue I have to do is I'm probably going to have to replace all of my primer, all of my filler, all of those kind of chemicals. I'm probably going to have to toss all of those and replace all of that stuff because I don't have a place in the house to keep it because that stuff stinks. I don't care how well you seal it up, the smell comes out. You don't want that in the house. You don't want to smell it in the house, and I can't keep anything out here cool enough to store paints and chemicals. So yeah, basically all that stuff is probably going to be garbage, you know, a few $100s worth of material at least. But yeah, so you know, there'll be an update video at some point, probably after we go on vacation when it finally cools off. That'll be September. In September when we go on vacation. After that it'll start cooling off finally and be able to do something, I hope. Yeah, I hate summer. I hate heat. This sucks. So, yeah, we'll see. You get an update when you get an update.